What's up? We're working on my boy's 05 Yukon Denali, and we're upgrading the whole entire stereo system. In the doors, we have 3x5 kickers, 6x9 kickers, and we made them fit. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure you can see the screws right here and here. 3x5s are on an angle here, 6x9s are in there. We had a little trim work going on. So you see that door over there? So it's like 11 and 5. Yeah, 11 and 5 offset, and then a little trim out near the wiper motor for some extra clearance. Alright, so it's there, right there. And then in the back, ds-18s. Right here, 6.5s. We're gonna run a Tara amp, 400. It's a little small TS400. And then we got Tarantula series sound streams for 210s. We also have matching 10-inch subs to go with them. I think they're 750 watts RMS each, so this thing should thump pretty good.